I'm going to graph a linear equation using a table of values. For my values that I'll be plugging into my equation, I'm going to use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. It's important that you use numbers that are only 1 unit apart from each other, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this value of -2, I'm going to plug it in to x. So what's happening to x here is it's being multiplied by -2 and then adding 4. So plugging -2 in for x, -2 times -2 is +4, and then +4 plus 4 equals 8. And so I'll put that value for f of x right here. Okay, now I'm going to take -1 and plug that number in for x. -2 times -1 is +2, and +2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, we'll take 0 and plug that in for x. So -2 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. Okay, now 1. -2 times 1 is -2, plus 4 is 2. And then -2 times 2 is -4, plus 4 is 0. Okay, so a while ago I mentioned when you choose values for x, them only being 1 unit apart, because what you can do now is look at this value here, the coefficient of x is -2. So you can check that pattern and make sure that each of these numbers is going down 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so that's a way of double checking and making sure you have correct values in your chart. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and plot the points. I'm going to go ahead and plot them in blue. Okay, so -2, +8. So -2 is here. Going up 8, we are way off the chart. So we're going to go ahead and skip that one and go ahead and go to the next number. Okay, so -1, 6. -1, and then 4, 5, 6 will be here. Okay, plot 0, 4, 0, 4. Okay, and now we're plotting 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see that the points are making a line. And last one is 2, 0. So 2 on the x, 0 on the y. Right, and then you can go ahead and connect your points. Ooh, let's make that a blue line. Okay, and then do not forget to put your arrows at the ends of the line. Okay, and we are finished.